Herpes, the word no one wants to hear, and everyone is told they must live with forever. But what if that's not the truth? What if healing is still possible? In this video, you'll hear from two incredible women, Tanya and Denise, who were told they'd live with herpes forever. But through nature, commitment, and belief, they proved that wrong. Let's begin. Tanya Morgan had tried everything. She spent over $2,000 on various treatments, more than 20 different products, and nothing worked. She even got scammed, and every doctor she saw told her the same thing. You'll have this for life.
At one point, I felt I would never get rid of it. That's what the doctors told me, and I believed them.
Then, in April, Tanya came across something different. She found the Ayurvedic Herpes Cure Kit on our website, a fully herbal, natural protocol that had helped others. She was skeptical, but something about Olivia's story on the same page on our website made her pause.
I had no reason to believe it would work, but Olivia's story felt like mine. So I gave it one last try.
She followed the complete protocol: herbal detox powders, immune-boosting capsules, strict dietary guidance, no shortcuts. The journey wasn't easy, but slowly, she began to feel better. Her outbreaks reduced, then stopped completely.
6 months later, I got tested, and I was finally free from herpes, confirmed by my results.
She didn't just heal physically, she healed emotionally. She found hope again, and now, she's paying it forward.
And I'm sharing my story because someone else's story helped me, and I want to help the next person take that first step.
Tanya didn't just cure herpes, she reclaimed her life. From scams and hopelessness to healing and truth, her journey proves that real answers do exist. And sometimes, all it takes is one last try. Her story now becomes someone else's reason to believe. Now let's meet another brave woman whose story will leave you speechless. Denise battled herpes not for months or years, but for 2 entire decades. Her journey is one of pain, persistence, and finally, freedom. Denise lived with herpes for 20 years. She went through it all: medications, emotional pain, isolation, and rejection. Doctors gave her no hope. Just manage it, they said. It will never go away.
To anyone newly diagnosed, I was once you, afraid, skeptical, conditioned to believe I had to live with it forever.
In February 2024, Denise began the Herpes Cure Kit protocol. She followed every instruction with discipline and faith, took the herbal medicines daily, stuck to the cleansing diet, avoided triggers, believed in her body's ability to heal.
I took IgG tests throughout. My levels fluctuated. I knew something was happening. My friends said I looked brighter, healthier, lighter.
By the second month, her outbreaks stopped. But some doctors still doubted her path. They told her to quit. She didn't.
At 5.5 months, I took the PCR DNA blood test. I was nervous, but when I got the result, it was negative for both HSV1 and HSV2. I broke down. 2 decades of pain finally lifted.
For 20 years, Denise lived in the shadow of a virus, told to stay silent, told to settle. But she chose healing and walked a path most people are too afraid to try. And today, she walks free. Not just from herpes, but from fear, shame, and everything that came with it. 2 women. One common journey, from hopelessness to healing. Both found success with the Ayurvedic Herpes Cure Kit. Not a shortcut, not a miracle overnight pill, but a real herbal path to permanent healing and freedom from shame. Because the truth is, herpes can be cured. and it's already happening. You can also visit our website to read more real success stories and to start your own journey with the Ayurvedic Herpes Cure Kit, because healing is possible. And your story could be the next one we share. Go to naturalherpescure.org